This enchanting French country estate offers a private retreat along the picturesque Tualatin River. It's nestled in the serene beauty of West Linn on 5.5 acres. Conveniently located, it's just minutes from the Willamette district of West Linn, top-rated schools, parks, and more. This 6,300 square foot home includes river frontage, a dock, and a guest quarters. Follow the long private drive to your secluded sanctuary, complete with a 3-level barn. This expansive residence exudes luxury and comfort at every turn. With sweeping views of the river and surrounding landscape. The heart of the home lies in the chef's kitchen with new quartz countertops, top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances, a charming light-filled breakfast nook, and plenty of counter space for grand entertaining. Plus a large walk-in pantry. Unwind and connect with nature on the multiple decks. Wainscoting and a coffered ceiling frame the formal dining room. Double doors open to the huge office with extensive built-ins. The main level also offers a luxurious primary suite, where you can head out to the built-in hot tub to relax in privacy. The spa-inspired bathroom is recently remodeled with a separate tub, multiple head shower, and a grand closet. Plus another spacious bedroom suite here on the main level. Upstairs, enjoy the cozy sitting area and amazing views. You'll find 2 additional bedrooms. A full bath, and a generous bonus room perfect for play, TV viewing, storage, whatever fits your lifestyle. The lower level offers multi-generational opportunities with a family room, full kitchen, 2 large bedrooms, a full bath, and a private entrance. There's also a wine cellar ready for your collection and additional storage. Take in endless views stretching to the river. Savor the multiple fruit trees. Or explore the 850 square feet of Tualatin River frontage and the floating dock. The circular drive leads to the 4-car garage and the full barn with stalls, storage, and access to the pasture. A truly captivating French country estate in a coveted West Linn location. It's all here, ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.